welcome back to my channel. I posted a video recently about students using ChatGPT to write their essays and assignments, and since then I've been getting some minor enemies. Some students have been angry with me for revealing their secrets, and some lecturers have criticized me privately by calling me to say, why would you do a video like that teaches students to carry out research in a wrong way? But then these devices, these tools, these platforms are available to these students and they can use it at any time. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you what lecturers can do to detect works that are generated by AI when these students submit them to you. Now, the problem is not about the students using these tools. The problem is the need for lecturers and academics to devise new ways, just as the students are getting smarter by the day. For instance, as a lecturer, you give your students a question to answer and you already have the rubrics to mark that question in your mind. But then these students are so smart that they have access to different AI tools like Bard, like ChatGPT, that can generate brilliant answers. I mean, brilliant answers that are even more smarter and intelligent than the answers that you have in your marking scheme. So what can you do to outsmart these students? Let us dive into this video more deeply into my computer, and I'll show you what you can do to detect your students who use AI for their work. Let us dive into the video right now. All right. Okay, so this is that student and his assignment that he felt he has submitted to the lecturer. So the lecturer goes into the browser like the student and types 0gpt.com. 0gpt is ChatGPT's own AI detector where you can detect any content that has been generated by ChatGPT. Copy and paste the content in 0gpt.com and you see if this content was created using AI. And voila, your text has given you a result already. So the text you see in yellow shows that this was created with ChatGPT, and then you know how to score your students. All right, welcome back. So you see, this may look so easy, like you can detect this work so easily, but then these students are even smarter than what you have just seen. These students can take these works into other AI tools like Quillbot, and they rephrase these answers they generated such that when you take it to your AI detectors may just miss it and not detect that AI was used in generating them. But then what can you now do at this stage? This I cannot teach in this short video. I have a lot more to share with you in this video, so I have requested with me over 5 other facilitators, seasoned professionals, in my masterclass coming this June 24th and 25th of June 2023. We'll be holding an AI Masterclass for work and research productivity. If you know you'd love to participate in this training, please do well to drop a comment in this comment section. Let me know your expectations. Let me know that you'd like to attend this event, because shortly after now I will be sharing the registration details. And if you subscribe and follow my YouTube channel and my social media handles, you will be among the first set of people to get the notification when the registration information is out. How does that sound? Are you ready? Okay. Cut.